Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Here we are comparing Samsung Galaxy M05 and Galaxy A05. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both devices come in the same size and weight. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.7 inches PLS LCD display with the same display features. Hardware features. Both mobiles are powered by the Mediatek chipset. Camera features. Both Galaxy phones come with two rear cameras, a 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth, and also 8 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Both two devices come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.